Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tour another wonderful house. We're really excited because this house is definitely way larger than the house that we're currently in. We are excited to see what it looks like. We heard that it also has a pool. Come with us on this little tour.
A little tour indeed.
The low cost of living, so we don't have to work so hard.
Hit the same road.
Yep.
Yeah, and have market in front.
Yes.
In
Yep.
Monday.
Seeing
and
that market too.
In the evening here have market also.
Oh.
That is the main road from this house.
Oh, okay. We have not seen the market here from the 7-Eleven yet.
Weekend have the nice market. And have nice music and beer.
Wow. Yeah, that's really nice.
In the evening.
Every evening, Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every evening.
Very nice.
You can go out.
Okay.
If you would like to let we have to clean the pool for you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Rainy today. Pool in front of the house. Pump storage. Okay. Rainy day, guys. Carport area. Go in the front entrance. Take a little walk around the yard. Guys, if this is your first time seeing our channel, then hit the sub button for us. It's alright. It's turf, I guess. Yeah. Can't fully walk around it. It's tight. Barely walk around the house, but some clearance inside. So we're going there in a second. I can get a feel of the place. I'm not sure why they didn't turf or the siding right here, but you could always pull that stuff in with rocks. All right. Wet.
Will a TV be added?
If you rent, yeah, we can put one to the kitchen. Oh,
ceiling. Open up the curtains. Ooh. Space. Space, nice space. All right. I'm gonna assume this is the master room. Got the stone outside shower, the blue view of the pool. Let me just open this more into effect. Coming from the master room. All right. We got the closet, wardrobe space. Okay. See where the bathroom is. Got blue. It's clean in here though, guys. A little shower. So me, I'm gonna have to add a glass. Add the water here. Shower is really nice. Not sure this blue is off-putting, but kinda is what it is. This bathroom is decent. Decent.
Ourselves.
Oh yeah, another bathroom. Okay.
We are going to be visiting a lot more places to see what is the right fit for our family. Here is the bathroom.
I know the color of the sink.
Yeah, like the color.
Yeah.
Why are they doing that?
I don't know.
It's got little sparkles in it. I don't know if I can see it. It's like shiny, sparkly. I mean, our 4-year-old would like that.
Yeah.
And then the shower. It's got a water warmer. So that's cool. And then the next room is the master.
And bedroom 3. So no wardrobe in this one. The room size is nice. I'm not too big on the siding of the house, to be honest. The closeness of the property to the next one. I'm not big on that at all, honestly. Let's walk on this side. So I must be taking us to the other bathroom, but this is bedroom 3. So you can access this. Okay. So basically, all access to the bathroom is through the bedroom. At least, so that's cool. It's not bad. Like the shower, there's 2 bathrooms in here. It's because of the sink. kitchen door.
Thing is, this bedroom doesn't have a wardrobe. I'm guessing that's means, oh, it's open now.
Yeah, from the bathroom. That's the kitchen, guys. The kitchen ain't too bad, to be honest. Got access to the kitchen inside of the house. Nah, it's no cabinets on the top. So that's tough. The space in here is nice. Maybe a fridge. I believe when we talked to her last week, she said they would add a washing machine. I'm not exactly sure where that would be placed. The countertops are decent. We're using some cabinets. And we're seeing a lot in Thailand that great really for long-term stay or like a conventional stay. There's no cabinets on top. But I like the windows and lighting in the bathroom. And just what I'm seeing for 40K now, she talked about how this can be negotiated. 40K is really outlandish to me. I don't care if it has a pool. Let me know in the comments what y'all think.